Hi friends, this is Anand Mahajan. I will be your instructor for this course, Programming in Java, the complete course. Java is owned by Oracle Corporation. Java is one of the most popular programming languages. This is very robust programming language. That means its programs do not crash easily. I will tell you why should you learn core Java. There are many reasons, but I will be telling about only some of the reasons which are very important. The first reason is it's a step towards learning web development. Advanced Java is undoubtedly the best language for developing robust websites. A Java web application is developed using Java servlets, Java server pages, which is also called JSP, and various frameworks associated with it like Hibernate, Struts, Spring MVC, etc. Core Java has to be learned first in order to master Advanced Java. The second reason is it's a step towards learning Android development. In the global smartphone market, nobody can ignore the significance of Android operating system. The Android SDK means Standard Development Kit. The Android SDK runs on Java. The prerequisite for learning Android is again core Java. The third reason for learning Java could be that it is platform independent. Java is a platform independent language. It has the feature of write once, run anywhere. That means a program written by a Java developer using any operating system or architecture can be run on any other architecture. Java source programs are converted into bytecodes. Java uses JVM, which is Java Virtual Machine. This is a trademark of Oracle to make programs platform independent.